Hi DIYers, Sterling with Alarm Grid here, and today we're going to show you how to reset a master code on your Honeywell Lyric system. Alright? We have another video on how to change your master code. To change your master code, you need to know what your current master code is. And sometimes you don't know what your current master code is. Alright? So if you don't know your master code, but you do know your installer code, or if your installer code is left default 4112, then without needing to know your master, you can simply reset your master. And once the master is reset, it's back to the default 1234, and then you can get in and change it from there. So this video is for people that have the installer code, okay? Either the installer code has been changed and it's been given to the end user, or the installer code is still left default 4112, but the master code has been changed and somehow forgotten, or whoever is trying to access the master code programming doesn't know that code. And this video will show you how to reset that master code using the installer. So the first thing you want to do is hit Security, then Tools, and because we don't know our master code, we're typing our installer code instead. 4112 is the default code. Once we get into programming, ignore this screen. The system's not yet set up for monitoring. So we're going to see this asking us if we want to join to AlarmNet 360 or associate it. That would be if you were going through a monitoring provider, which in the end this system will. But for now, we're just going to ignore that prompt. When we hit Program, if we hit the down arrow, which is off to the right here, you can see Reset Master Code. And by tapping that, you have a yes or no prompt. In case you hit that by accident, you could back out and say no. But in this case, we do want to reset it because we don't know what it is now. When we hit reset, it doesn't give you any confirmation, it just resets it. And now, if we hit the back arrow and do Tools and type 1234, which is the default master, we are now into the master level programming screen. So again, if you have your installer code and you're able to get into programming, but you're not able to get to this screen because you don't know what your master code is, that is the step, that is the process to reset the master code back to default 1234, and now you have full access to go in and change the master code to something you'll use, and of course the installer code will stay with whatever you had set before. So we hope you've enjoyed this video, and we hope that's helped you get your system programmed the way that you would like to use it. If you have any questions on resetting your master code or any questions at all about your Honeywell Lyric system, please let us know. We'd be happy to help. And make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're kept up to date on all of the great new videos that we'll be releasing about this revolutionary new Honeywell Lyric system.